Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this channel Hausa Crypto. Today I will be making another video on coingap application as I did earlier this week in Hausa language, but today I will be making this video in English language for my viewers and subscribers who complained that they don't understand Hausa. So I decided to make this video for them to understand the arbitrage trading using this application. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is the application you need to download at Play Store. As you can see from the title of the application is Crypto Arbitrage Opportunities. That is opportunities for arbitrage trading. Let's go directly into the application. This is the interface of the application. As you can see from the top of the application, that difference buy from sell at. That's the difference. Here is the difference in percentage. And here when you buy from, for example here, KuCoin, there's a difference in percentage of 261%.81. When you buy Ethereum from KuCoin and transfer the Ethereum to Get.io, you will make the profit of 261%. But there are three signs you need to understand before buying or before trading crypto using this application. These are the signs. Go directly here to filter. As you can see here, these are the signs: disabled trade, unknown status, disabled trade, unknown status, and low volume. These are the signs you need to understand before trading any cryptocurrency using this application. Any crypto you see with this sign, this padlock, and this warning sign, and this yellowish color, don't bother yourself buying it. I will show you the right sign you need to see before trading, before we start trading any cryptocurrency. Here is the market management, that you have the right to switch off or on any crypto you want to use in this application. And here is the exchange management. There is a lot of exchanges here showing in this application. You have the right to switch off or switch any exchanger you like, switch it off or on. So let me show you the right sign you need to see before you start trading any cryptocurrency using this application. Let me show you. Let me refresh it so that we can see the right color we need to see before start trading any cryptocurrency using this application. Yes, this is the right color you need to see, or the right sign you need to see before you trade any crypto using this application. This green color, as you can see here, is when you buy it from Bitmart and transfer it to Part BTC, you will make the profit of 9.76%. That you buy it at a price of 0.0003781 and you sell it at a price of 0.0014150. And also here on KuCoin, when you buy this quote at the price of 0.34 373,300 and transfer it to Binance, you will sell it at the price of 0.03764,000. That is the price. The profit in percentage is 9.49%. This is how this application is showing you the differences in from one exchanger to another. Thank you very much.